Brian and Bernie, and welcome to another video. This video, we're going to a cubing competition. Yay!
比赛的主办单位建中魔术方拍社。线下分装比赛的赞助厂。
So I was super nervous, my hands are shaking and really cold, and I was having a lot of like hand sweat, but I still thrived under the pressure, and I got a 11.99 whatever, 92 or 96 average. I got a 9-second solve, which is my PB. Also from home, I'd never gotten a single like that, and I got a +2 on an H perm, which would be a 10. If I didn't +2 that solve, the average would be 11.25, but I +2'd, so it was a high 11. So now we're gonna do pyraminx. Well, I didn't even practice pyraminx, so let's see what I do. Pyraminx. So I just competed in the pyraminx and the 2x2, and then I got to the second round on both of them. So I'm really happy about that. Brian and our cousin didn't get to the second round, unfortunately, so they had to go. But so I got to the second round in all three different. So I finished my second round. I'm not happy with the 3x3 nor the 2x2. I was really close to a good average on 2x2, but I mucked the 11 up. And 3x3, I was really nervous, so I didn't get that good time. But I got a 7 single pure minx and a 9 average, so I'm really happy with that. So that's it for the video. Like video, make subscribe new, make leave a like. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Lucas and Brian, and we're out. I'll see you next time. Bye.